Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you 5 effective ways to fix the automatic repair loop and the error message that says, "Startup repair couldn't repair your PC." If you're stuck on a blue screen that repeatedly shows messages like "Automatic repair couldn't repair your PC" or "Startup repair couldn't repair your PC," don't worry. You're not alone, and this guide will walk you through the solutions step by step. This issue can be caused by hardware failures, changes to the system registry, CPU overload, or other system-level problems. But instead of focusing on the causes, we'll go straight into fixing it. Let's get started. To begin, you'll see 2 options on your screen: Shutdown and Advanced Options. Click on Advanced Options. You'll be taken to a screen that says Choose an option. From there, select Troubleshoot, then click Advanced Options again, and choose Command Prompt. When the command prompt window opens, we'll enter a few commands to repair your system. First, type the command sfc/scnnow. This scans your system for corrupted files and attempts to fix them. Wait for the scan to reach 100%. If it finds and repairs files, you'll see a message confirming it. Next, type boot rec/fixmbr. Press enter. You should see a confirmation saying the operation completed successfully. Now, type boot rec/fixboot. Press enter again. If you see a message that says access is denied, don't worry, you can skip this one. Next, enter the command boot rec/rebuildbcd. This scans for Windows installations and rebuilds the boot configuration data if anything is broken. Lastly, type chkdsk your system drive letter followed by :/f/r. This will scan your hard drive for errors and fix them. It may take 5 to 10 minutes or longer depending on your system. Once all the commands are complete, type exit and press enter. Then click continue and check if your system boots up properly. If everything works, great. If not, move on to method 2. Click on Advanced Options again. Go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and this time choose Uninstall Updates. You'll see 2 options: uninstall the latest quality update and uninstall the latest feature update. Start with the quality update. If the problem persists, go back and uninstall the latest feature update as well. If you can't uninstall the updates from here, or if uninstalling doesn't help, go back to the Advanced Options menu and click Startup Settings. Then select Restart. After your system reboots, you'll see several options. Press the number 5 key on your keyboard to boot into safe mode with networking.